Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nessus. So now we are going to move to the next step of configuring the Nessus into our Ubuntu system. So let's get started. So those who aren't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So there are this certain examples over here, certain selections. So I'm going to go with the Nessus Essentials. Okay, you need to select it over here. Continue. You need to add your email and the password. First name, last name, email. So I will add the email. Okay, 993 at the gmail.com. Okay, if you're interested, you can skip the step. I'm going to skip the step and moving to the email. So let's see, is it there or not? Let me check my email ID. It's there. So I have the code of that one. So I'm going to add the code over here. Just give me a second. I need to add the code over here. So you can see that I am getting the code over here. So I'm just copying this code and adding into our activation code. Okay, continue. So there is a space. So I'm going to continue with it. Username and password. I'm going to put my username and the password. You can add anything. So you can see that we are able to submit this. And after logging this, you will go to the dashboard of that one. So it will downloading all the plugins right now. After downloading all the plugins, it will go to the dashboard. Let's see how much time it will take. So now you can see that plugins are compiling. Nexus functionality will be limited until the compilation is completed. So rest of the part it's doing, and you can see that the dashboard looks like this one. So here we have the my scans, all scans and the trash. So in the coming video we are going to learn how to scan your website with the help of this. Okay, so let's see in the coming video. Thank you so much. Here we have successfully configured the Nexus into your Ubuntu system. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.